Okay, Hesh Sagafi, Liberty Home Mortgage. And what am I talking about today? Do I hard pull your credit? This is the newest craze in the industry. There's a soft credit pull and there's a hard credit pull, okay? A soft credit pull, which I have, it has no effect on your credit score. It's like laying your little head on a little soft pillow, that Egyptian cotton 3000 weaves or whatever it all is, and it's all soft and it doesn't affect you, and your credit's your credit, and God knows how important that is, and oh, it's wonderful, okay? Then there's the hard pull. The hard pull is like, we're just on you and grinding you and pushing you and pushing you and pushing you, we just hammer you, it just ruins your whole life, your job, your credit, the kids, the family, the dogs, the cats, the fish, even the fish, for God's sakes, okay? The hard pull just gets you all over the place, okay? So, which one do I do? Which one do I recommend? Why in the world would somebody do something so evil to you that would ruin even your fish, okay? Your goldfish in the goldfish tank, okay? Why? Well, let's back up a step, okay? Soft credit pull has no effect on your score. Let me tell you a good side with a soft credit pull. Has no effect on your score. That's the good news. Let me give you the bad news, okay? The score that it gives you is not always the score when you hard pull. So the score is not always accurate, number one, okay? So already we've got problems, okay? We've already got problems. It's not necessarily an accurate score. Let me give you problem two. There's a computer program that every lender in America, if they're doing a conventional loan going to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, an FHA loan, a VA loan, or a USDA loan, there's a computer program, the fancy term is automated underwriting system, that we have to run your information through, okay? We have to run you through that to get a preliminary decision on whether or not we will give you a loan. And a lot of lenders, if you get declined in that system, you ain't getting a loan, okay? Wave bye-bye to buying a house, okay? Here's a problem. That program, you cannot run a soft credit pull through that program. So problem number one, whatever score the soft pull tells me is not necessarily the score. Problem number two, you cannot run it through the automated underwriting system to get the initial answer of lending. That is a gigantic issue. Now, let me qualify these issues here as issues only if, these are only issues that I'm telling you if you want an accurate answer. So if you're a real estate agent and that pre-approval that the lender handed you, if you want to have a very good feeling that that is a solid pre-approval, then a soft pull is garbage. Don't do it. Make sure it's a hard pull. I hard pull because, quite honestly, people, every minute of my day is worth a lot. My time is more valuable than anything. And if you just want to kick tires and I just want a soft pull for now and I'll come back in 3 months, I got something even better for you. Go to myfico.com. You pull your own credit there. It's a soft pull. It has no effect on your score. Or go to Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Pull your credit there. It has no effect on your score. And even the better thing with that is then you could also get monitoring for your credit so you can follow your credit along over the next couple of months as opposed to simply one and done. We pull it once and we're done. Don't forget, when we pull your credit today, it's only a snapshot of your credit today. It's not your credit tomorrow. So when you go to those other websites and pull your credit there, you will see what your credit looks like if you enroll in their monitoring program, and then you can keep an eye on your credit. But if you're serious about buying a house today, right now, within the next 120 days, there is only one way to go. The truth of the matter is a lot of lenders out there are going with soft pulls because they're cheaper. They don't really want to get serious with a buyer or give a definitive answer, and you've got to watch out for them. But it all starts by watching these videos and subscribing to my YouTube page. And if you need a loan, I do loans in 45 states, and you bet your butt. I almost swore, by the way. I've never sworn on a video, actually. I don't think I've ever sworn. I swear, but not on videos. Make sure you're watching these videos and following along. If you have questions, call me. I lend in 45 states, and I'll catch you on the next one.